Grip a solid structure in front of you, splitting your hands, placing one hand at shoulder height and one at approximately belly button height. With your feet slightly wider than hip width apart, unlock your knees, pushing your buttock back as far as possible. Bring the upper body forward with your eyes following your chest and aiming to keep specifically the top arm straight. Repeat this for the allocated repetitions. Next, rock back to your end range and then rock your hips from side to side for the allocated repetitions. Once you've done this, we're going to rock back to your end range again, hold this position, and we're going to alternate pushing one hip towards the wall and back and then the other for the allocated repetitions.